Is TurboTax free? TurboTax is one of the most popular tax preparation software programs in the US, but its pricing structure can be confusing. While the company advertises free filing options, not all users qualify. This guide explains when TurboTax is free, what features it offers, and when you might have to pay. 1. Overview of TurboTax. TurboTax, developed by Intuit, offers online and downloadable tax preparation software for individuals and businesses. Its user-friendly interface and step-by-step guidance have made it a top choice for taxpayers for decades. Second, TurboTax Free Edition. TurboTax offers a free edition for qualifying taxpayers. This option allows users to file both federal and state returns for free if they have simple tax situations. Eligibility for the free edition: W-2 income only, no 1099 investment or business income. Standard deduction claimed, not itemized deductions. Earned income tax credit, EITC, or child tax credit, CTC, available. Limited student loan interest deductions allowed. If your situation involves more complex elements, such as self-employment income, rental property, or capital gains, you won't qualify for the free edition. Third, TurboTax Free File program. TurboTax also participates in the IRS Free File program, which provides free filing services for taxpayers below a certain income threshold. However, TurboTax Free File is separate from the standard free edition and has different eligibility requirements. Eligibility for TurboTax Free File: adjusted gross income, AGI, of $79,000 or less for most taxpayers. Active military personnel qualify regardless of income level. Fourth, paid versions and their costs. If you don't qualify for the free versions, TurboTax offers several paid tiers. Deluxe, for itemized deductions like mortgage interest and medical expenses. Premier, for taxpayers with investments, rental property income, or cryptocurrency transactions. Self-employed, for freelancers, contractors, and small business owners with business-related deductions. Prices vary depending on federal and state filing requirements and additional services like TurboTax Live or Audit Defense. 5. Additional fees to watch out for. State returns. Filing a state tax return often incurs a fee even if your federal return is free. Live assistance. Opting for TurboTax Live to consult with a tax expert costs extra. Refund transfer fees. Choosing to have your filing fee deducted from your refund will trigger a processing fee. 6. Common misconceptions about TurboTax's free offer. Free doesn't apply to all taxpayers. Many users start their return thinking it's free, but end up upgrading when they realize their situation doesn't qualify. The Free File program is not heavily advertised. TurboTax promotes the free edition, but downplays the IRS Free File option, which covers more scenarios at no cost. 7. Alternatives to TurboTax for free filing. If you don't qualify for TurboTax's free options, consider IRS Free File. Other providers also participate. H&R Block Free Online, similar to TurboTax's free edition with slightly broader qualifications. Cash App Taxes, a completely free option with fewer restrictions than TurboTax. Conclusion: TurboTax offers free tax filing options, but only for simple tax situations. Taxpayers with more complex returns will likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. TurboTax Free File, offered through the IRS, is available for lower income filers, but is distinct from TurboTax's heavily advertised free edition. Understanding the difference can help avoid unexpected costs during tax season.